Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of luxury, innovation, and performance with one of the most iconic cars on the planet, the 2025 Mercedes S-Class. For decades, the S-Class has been the symbol of automotive excellence, a car that sets the standard for what luxury sedans should be. But this year, Mercedes has taken things to a whole new level. The 2025 model isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete redefinition of what a flagship car can be. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the design, the interior, the technology, the performance, and ultimately why the S-Class is being called a true game changer in 2025. Let's begin with the design. The 2025 S-Class makes a bold statement without trying too hard. It's elegant, futuristic, and commanding all at once. At the front, you'll notice the wider grille that instantly identifies it as a Mercedes flagship. The new digital LED headlamps are more than just lights. They're intelligent projectors capable of adapting to road conditions and even displaying signals on the pavement to alert other drivers. The profile of the car is smooth, with fluid lines that reduce drag and add sophistication. The flush door handles pop out gracefully, adding to its futuristic look. At the rear, the continuous LED light bar gives the car a wide, athletic stance. Every single angle has been designed to balance beauty with performance. It's not flashy, it's timeless. Now, stepping inside is like entering another world. The cabin of the S-Class has always been its crown jewel, but the 2025 version feels more like a luxury lounge than a car interior. From the moment you sit down, you're surrounded by hand-stitched leather, fine wood, brushed aluminum, and customizable ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin like a halo. The front seats come with every possible function: heating, cooling, massage, and memory, while the rear passengers get the executive experience with reclining seats, adjustable leg rests, fold-out tables, and built-in screens for entertainment. This isn't just travel. This is first-class comfort on wheels. The technology inside is what really sets the S-Class apart. Dominating the dashboard is a massive OLED infotainment display, sharper and brighter than ever, with intuitive touch controls. The driver's instrument cluster is fully digital, featuring 3D graphics and customizable layouts. The head-up display projects augmented reality directions right onto the windshield, overlaying arrows and instructions directly on the road ahead. It feels less like driving a car and more like stepping into the future. The steering wheel itself is multifunctional, with touch-sensitive buttons that give you haptic feedback, making every interaction feel natural and responsive. Mercedes has also taken its MBUX system to the next level. It's more intelligent, more conversational, and more helpful than ever. Say, "Hey Mercedes," and the car instantly responds, ready to adjust the climate, find directions, change the lighting, or even tell you the weather. The system learns from your habits. It remembers your favorite routes, your preferred seat settings, even the music you like at different times of day. It's like having a personal assistant built into your car. Safety, as always, is a top priority. The 2025 S-Class comes packed with advanced driver assistance systems that bring it closer than ever to fully autonomous driving. Features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and intelligent traffic sign recognition are all standard. But it doesn't stop there. The car can change lanes on its own, park itself without anyone inside, and even prepare the cabin for an accident with pre-safe technology that tightens seat belts, adjusts seats, and closes windows before impact. It's safety not just as protection, but as anticipation. Now let's talk about performance. The S-Class has always been about delivering smooth, effortless power, and the 2025 model is no exception. Depending on the variant, you'll find hybrid and turbocharged options that deliver thrilling acceleration while remaining efficient. The car glides on the road, thanks to its air suspension system that adapts in real time to bumps and corners. It scans the road ahead and prepares the suspension before you even reach uneven surfaces, giving passengers an unbelievably smooth ride. Driving modes let you switch between comfort, sport, and eco, tailoring the experience to your mood. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back, the car delivers unmatched refinement, and we can't forget the sound system. The Burmester 4D surround sound system is one of the best in the world. With speakers placed around the cabin and even in the seats, the experience is completely immersive. Add active noise cancellation to that, and the cabin becomes a sanctuary of peace. Quiet when you want it, or alive with crystal clear music when you don't. What makes the S-Class a game changer isn't one feature. It's the way everything works together. The design, the luxury, the technology, the performance, they don't feel like separate elements. They feel like one seamless experience, where every detail has been considered and perfected. From the way the car greets you when you approach, to the way it adapts to your driving style, to the way it makes every passenger feel like royalty, the S-Class is more than just a car. It's a living, breathing symbol of progress. Mercedes has always said the best or nothing, and in 2025, the S-Class proves exactly what that means. It sets the bar so high that competitors will spend years trying to catch up. It shows us the future of driving, a future where luxury and intelligence blend into one. So when we call the 2025 Mercedes S-Class a game changer, it's not just a phrase. It's the truth. This car doesn't just raise the standard, it redefines it. It doesn't just adapt to the times, it sets the pace for the times to come. The 2025 S-Class is luxury, innovation, and performance at their absolute peak. And that's why it's the car that everyone will be talking about for years to come.